Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest health tips and advice. Today we're diving into the world of snacking and high blood pressure. Snacking often receives negative criticism, but did you know that for those with hypertension or high blood pressure, having a snack before bed can actually be beneficial to their health? That's right. So what should you consider when choosing a snack for high blood pressure? We've got you covered. Let's take a look at the characteristics that make the best snacks for individuals with hypertension. First thing, the snack must be balanced. According to dietitians, the ideal bedtime snack for people with high blood pressure should include a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fiber to promote a feeling of satisfaction. Next, the snack should be under 200 calories. Consuming large amounts of food before bed can interfere with digestion and sleep quality. It is recommended to limit the snack to 200 calories. The snack should be low sodium or sodium-free. The DASH diet, which is dietary approaches to stop hypertension, suggests a maximum daily sodium intake of 2,300 milligrams, which is approximately 1 teaspoon. Lowering sodium intake to 1,500 milligrams per day can make an even greater impact. The snack should be rich in specific minerals. Adequate consumption of minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium can help reduce high blood pressure. The snack should be mostly plant-based. Plant-based foods are abundant in beneficial compounds like antioxidants, flavonoids, and phytonutrients, which protect cells, reduce inflammation, and lower blood pressure. These snacks should contain unsaturated fatty acids. Prioritizing unsaturated fatty acids from plant sources and minimizing saturated fatty acids can contribute to blood pressure reduction. These snacks should provide omega-3 fatty acids. Research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association in 2022 suggests that consuming 2 to 3 grams of omega-3 fatty acids daily can help lower blood pressure. According to dietitians, here are 6 healthy snack options to consume before bed for those with high blood pressure. First, nut butter with banana. This classic combination is excellent because bananas are rich in potassium, while nut butters provide magnesium, unsaturated fatty acids, and protein. Number 2, fruit and unsalted nuts or seeds with oatmeal. Oatmeal, a fiber-rich whole grain, can be enjoyed as a bedtime snack. Top it with fiber and antioxidant-rich fruit, along with heart-healthy nuts or seeds for a winning combination. Number 3, fruit with yogurt or cottage cheese. Low-fat dairy products like yogurt or cottage cheese supply blood pressure-lowering calcium and protein. Pair them with potassium-rich fruits such as oranges, apples, kiwis, and berries, which also contain vitamins and antioxidants that reduce blood pressure and inflammation. Choose plain dairy to limit added sugars and rely on the fruit's natural sweetness. Number 4, hummus with veggies. Various vegetables such as bell peppers, snap peas, mini cucumbers, and green beans are recommended for a heart-healthy diet due to their potassium, vitamin, and fiber content. Dipping veggies in hummus creates a satisfying combination that offers protein, fiber, and some fat, making it a well-rounded snack. Number 5, avocado on whole grain toast. Spread 1/4 of an avocado on a slice of whole grain toast for a balanced snack. This combination provides fiber and healthy fats to help manage blood pressure even before bedtime. Lastly, dark chocolate with unsalted nuts. This snack feels indulgent, but it is also suitable for individuals who need to manage their blood pressure. Nuts are rich in magnesium, while dark chocolate contains flavonoids to help lower blood pressure. Besides, other benefits to regularly eating dark chocolate includes a boost of brain power. To conclude, no matter if you have high blood pressure, you can savor a snack that supports heart health before going to bed. By avoiding high sodium options and opting for snacks that include a mix of carbohydrates, protein, fat, and fiber, you can effectively manage your blood pressure while feeling satisfied and satiated. The added bonus, you may even experience improved sleep quality. When it comes to selecting snacks, you can't go wrong with a combination of fruits, whole grains, salt-free nuts and seeds, and low-fat dairy. Thank you for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.